Hey yo, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, this is just a kind of announcement or introduction video because from today onwards we are going to start Sophos series. Okay. That before I jump into the description little bit on the Sophos, first of all I just wanted to thank each and every one of you who are members and participated in the poll. So the last poll which I have raised, so on that particular poll I have received almost 56% of people have voted for EDR solution. So based on that only, we have decided to go with the this particular Sophos series because in the comment section on that particular poll, so many people, almost I guess I have received almost 83, 84 people's votes on just for the Sophos. Okay, so that's the reason we are creating this dedicated series on the Sophos product. And by the way, because you don't know what is the a traditional antivirus and XDR, okay, the difference between these two products, then just for your information, traditional antivirus works on your DAT files, right, which is a signature, as well as kind of a little bit of AI as well as machine learning. Okay, but how exactly the your HDR works? So HDR basically gets integrated with your different tools which is available in your network. So let me just give the example of Sophos. So Sophos has their own antivirus, right? Endpoint protection, server protection, cloud native solution. So these are the just antivirus. Now, apart from that, Sophos has the email security, let's say network devices, firewall, and other stuff, switches, email security. So many other tools are also available. So it's get integrated with each and other tools from the Sophos which is available in the environment. So this particular central, okay, because to manage everything we have to log in into the central console. Okay, Sophos central. So once we log into that console, that particular console has feed from all the other network devices. So whenever anything going wrong in your network, Sophos is able to detect in a much better way than your just antivirus. So let's say one of the files enter into your network. It could be from your removable storage or one of the user has downloaded from the let's say now web browser or wherever it is location is. So the entry point of that particular file, then how exactly it's spread across your network. So it's travel to the let's say normally your NetBIOS port via share or email. So each and every, how many registry it has, I've got access to, how many files creator, is there any lateral movement. So each and every file record, getting tracked. Okay, when any new files is traveled or enter in your network. So this is what your EDR solution able to detect in better way and give the proper information. Because in traditional antivirus, let's say one of the viruses detected, so it's only able to clean, delete, quarantine that particular virus. But in reality, we don't know how many similar type of files are present in the network. How exactly that file has become or started acting malicious. So all those, because we don't know what is the journey, what is the growth path, what is the growth source of that particular file. But when we come to the HDR has the all the track records of any file which is coming to your network. So that's how basically your HDR tool is going to help you. Also, we are going to read or touch upon each and everything which is available in our network. Okay, or in this particular series. There is so many things we are going to learn. But for you, just to understand that you have to watch this video or series from start to end, because in this particular series I'm going to cover lots of things, because this particular series is going to take, I guess, 4 to 5 months for me to complete, because recording, editing, as well as my availability, lots of things are concerned while I'm doing any series. Because and in this particular series we are going to work on your very first endpoint protection, then server protection, and if you guys provide the more words, then I'll also cover the encryption, and lastly XDR, which means threat analysis. So we are going to check each and everything which is available on the console, and this entire series is going to be very interesting, guys. So if you are also excited like me, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you guys want me to cover any specific module type or use case, then that is also you can let me know, because this series is just started now. So if you are a member, then you might have you receive this video very early as soon as I'll upload on the YouTube. But if in case if you are not a member, then you have to wait until unless my video get published. So whoever is a member, they will receive this video in next 1 or 2 days. So hopefully all you guys are interested, And if so, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. So whoever is your friends, colleagues who want to know more about the XDR, Sophos Intercept X, okay, they will get lots of knowledge using this entire series. So everything I'm going to cover in our upcoming practical videos, because we will not be wasting time in going to the PPT or presentation, PDF file. We'll directly focus on the console, how things works, because this is a practical scenario, practical world. So we don't entertain any documentation. So everything we are going to learn in this detailed series. So hopefully that much of introduction is pretty much. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye.